An unboxing. Oh yeah. Ooh, what's in the box? What's in the box? Oh. Oh. It's a JBL Control 5 tweeter. This would be going on the one at the back of the room, or the dog-free overhead. Because this home cinema, or this home THX cinema, has up to 130. What is it? 132? Yeah, 132 speakers, 26 channels. Blimey. Dolby Stereo AtmosPlusIIIx. I mean, the Chinese don't have one. I mean, the Russians don't have one. Not even the Americans. I wonder why. Maybe their heart's just not in home theatre. Maybe they just don't know what to look for or listen for. I'll just keep on perfecting it. Put this box in. Yeah. So I'll have to take the undo the. It won't take long. Probably probably about 10 minutes to fit that. Yeah. Yeah. Oh dear. Yeah. So from an unboxing to power up. Is this the coolest frippin'? Yeah, this now officially is my projection room. You know, because it's not 35. You know, it could be if I mean, if the the kitchen was modified. I mean, just because I got, you know, kitchen worktop there, I don't really need too much of, you know, just to prepare food on, really. Fucking hell, I mean, look at the size of the fucking, what's this fucking kitchen counter for? To do the fucking Hotel Ritz, for crying out loud. I only need something small. And then, well, yeah, still wouldn't have room to fit a 35mm projector in there. I know how big the damn things are. Been there, done it. As long as you got Laserdisc and you got some theatrical mixes on it, but you know, when it comes to 4K Hollywood disc format, oh god, it's just a waste of listening time. But you know, sometimes I like to roast a Dolby Atmos Hollywood Oscar sound mix. You know, this rat tower, I'm not kidding. That is heavy. That is flipping ridiculously heavy. Even though most of it's lightweight, but still, the rack case on its own, ridiculously heavy. I was thinking it was a load of flipping lead I ordered when I got this damn thing, and I think, what the blazers is inside this box, for crying out loud? It took 2 of us to get it up the stairs. Because it's flat pack. It was flat pack, and yeah, I was thinking, ridiculous. What the bloody hell is it made of? Yeah, it's a sort of good thing I used the caster wheels. I got one of those caster wheels back to front on the rep, because there's a caster wheel there. That should be back there, and that bit there the other bit should be up there. Oh, well, it wasn't easy to assemble this in this kitchen, for crying out loud. Couldn't swing a cat around. Could I, Magic? No offence. None taken. Don't know what to turn on. Gosh. Coming to the THX cinema. The audience is listening. Oh, the cats are listening. Aren't they, Sooty? The cats are listening. You know why? Because, you know, mixers, Hollywood sound mixers, they're mixing high frequencies that they can't even hear. So it only caters for the cats, dogs and bats. Isn't that right, Magic? I can't hear it. My cats can. I'm kidding. Films have a roll off at what? High frequencies start all rolling off at what? Even before they reach 20,000 kilohertz. So, yeah. Because really, you know, I just don't know what to turn on. You know, I don't know. It's my system, for Christ's sakes. I mean, I just don't know what to turn on. I think I'm having a bad day of dementia. Fucking hell. Every time I turn on the system, you know, I don't know which player it is. Oh yeah, it's the Power Pioneer. It always turns on and then it turns off. Because how many times have I used this? Very little. Very cheap. Very cheap. And where is it? Oh yeah, it's there. Oh yeah, the fans. What I can't figure is when I turn the Panasonic THX on, the two Panasonic I can't feel any air, or much less, I don't even see the fan moving. I'm thinking, what the fuck? These are things are brand new in the box, and I'm thinking, what? Why is the fan not operating? Or does the fan only operate if it? Yeah, because they might have some sort of temperature sensor in it, you know, sort of thing, and it only operates at, you know, at a certain, yeah. That's amazing, that bit of cardboard there, isn't it? That's amazing. And you come round the front, and then, of course, went over there, you know. Looks like it's part of the wall, doesn't it? It's amazing. That is truly astonishing. You know, I've still got to tidy up all these cables, crying out loud. Now I've got all the dog channels up. The dog 1, dog 3, dog 2, dog 1. I was thinking of expanding the because now I know it works okay. It does what I have simulated in my mind, you know, because, you know, how stereo signal works. And do I need some more bloody adhesive on this wall? Fuck's sakes. Must be the temperature and humidity, and probably didn't put enough. Fucking hell, what the fuck? Fucking hell. Tiles are fucking peeling off. Well, I wouldn't use fucking what's it, super fucking glue shit, you know, on these tiles, that would deteriorate the fucking foam. It would eat the fucking foam. If you know of, you know, certain materials, plastics and foams, certain glues would dissolve it. Just put that there for a moment. Just stick this back up. Ooh, it's coming. Fucking hell. I just sprayed a fucking wall. Fucking spraying the fucking tile. Just sprayed a fucking wall. There we go. That back up. Get it in neat. Get it in neatly. Press it down. Press it down. It's amazing because go over this part of the wall and go, hang on, let's just turn the light off. Oh yeah, I can hear the difference, like night and day. These do pretty well up to a certain frequency, to a certain highs, and then as you go down lower in the frequencies, you know, you're stepping down from the high frequencies and you're going down. They, you know, the impact of frequencies, I guess they test it with the microphone behind it, you know, because think about it, if sound's going to go onto it, yeah, right, and if you were to put a microphone behind it, or put a microphone there and then test and see how it looks, you know, you run a frequency sweep or whatever, and then you just literally put some foam over it. I mean, literally stuff the microphone in, you know what I mean? Then you run the frequency sweep again and then see what it looks like, because those results would say, yeah, you know, it's like if I oh, I'm trying to think. You know what? I might do a demonstration of that. I might do a demonstration. See how that looks on a. You got some meaty ham in your bowl, Magic. Oh, yeah. I'll see how that looks later.